In this video, I'll show you how to swap or convert USDT to Solana on Trust Wallet. It's going to be a step-by-step guide. So make sure you watch what I'm going to show you in this video. This video is really for educational purposes only. So open up your Trust Wallet, click on Discover, click on Solana, click on Radium. So let's say if you have some USDT on your Trust Wallet and you love to convert it to Solana, what you need to do, the first thing is it should be in the USDT BIP. Sorry, it should be in the USDT Solana, because with this you can be able to convert it. So I'm going to just come on here. Okay, you can see USDT here currently, so click on it. So click on this, look for Solana, so you can see it, right? So you can see it. So once, what you need to do now, you need to just come on here and enter the amount of USDT you want to convert. So if it is $100, I think it's going to be giving you 0.4 Solana. So if it is 1,000, it's going to be giving you 4.8 Solana. So this is basically how I can be able to do this. And remember, it should be in the USDT Solana network. If you found this video helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you in the next video.